Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. For this, you just have to install a third-party application. Just open your Play Store app and then go to search bar. And here you just have to search for What's Remote Plus. Just search for it and then you just have to install this application. Just tap on install button and it will be installed on your phone. After installation, you just have to open this app. Just open it and then you just have to agree the term and policies of the plan, and then you just have to set it with your WhatsApp, and after that you will be able to see your deleted message. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.